In this video, we're going to compare the Anker MagGo 8-in-1 charger to the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger. This is model A91C5 and this is model A2557. On the 3-in-1, you're going to notice that this one is super compact. It's able to fold up, and in the box you also get a USB-C power adapter at 40 watts, and you also get a 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cord. The 3-in-1 charger comes equipped with a 15-watt Qi pad, and then it also has a wireless charger in the middle of it for keeping your AirPods charged. And it also has an Apple Watch charger on it as well. So this has everything you need to keep the Apple trifecta charged. And you can also always charge your iPads or other devices with 40 watts of power using the USB-C cord just by unplugging it from the 3-in-1 charger. The 8-in-1 gives you way more ports and a ton of versatility. You do get a 15-watt Qi2 wireless charger on the front for your iPhone. And then on the back of it, you get 3 outlets and you get 4 USB-C ports. This does have a total of 67 watts for all the USB-C ports and the MagSafe port on the front. So just know if you're using MagSafe, it is going to drop your output on the back to 45 watts. But this is going to give you a lot of power that you can use to charge pretty much anything as long as you have the cable for it. Anything from an iPad to an Apple MacBook Pro or anything in between is going to be able to charge really well because you get up to 67 watts of power with the 8-in-1. So if you're trying to decide between the 3-in-1 stand or the 8-in-1 charger, I think the first thing you need to ask is what devices you're going to be charging. If you just have the Apple trifecta and you're also maybe wanting to charge an iPad, the 3-in-1 setup is going to be a really great option for you because you can charge your iPad pretty quick with the 40-watt charger, and then you can charge everything else at night using the 3-in-1 charger. But if you have more devices you want to keep powered, or if you're using a computer and an iPad and you need those extra ports on the back of it as well to keep other bigger, bulkier chargers plugged in, I do really like the 8-in-1 because you get a lot more versatility with it. This one takes up a lot more space. This is going to be just fine if you want to throw it in the back of a suitcase, but if you want to keep it in a backpack, the 3-in-1 is going to be a lot more portable for you. So if you want portability, go for the 3-in-1 because you're still going to get that great 15-watt MagSafe port on the front of it, and you're also going to get the wireless charger and the Apple Watch charger. But if you don't mind carrying around more cables and you don't mind the extra bulk, then I would recommend buying the 8-in-1 because this is going to give you a lot more options with all the different ports and plugs on the back. If you're not traveling with these and you just want to use them at home, decide if you just want to charge your 3 Apple devices on this charger, or if you want to have more flexibility and more ports for keeping other different things beyond just the phone, the headphones, and the watch charged at the same time, then the 8-in-1 is going to be a better option for you. If you have any other questions about these two chargers, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And if you want to buy either of these, I do have links in the description below.